Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with look number 2 out of my Sephora Pro Warm Palette. I purchased this palette a little while back and I've been trying it out. So one of the colors that was standing out to me in this palette was the yellow. So today I decided to do this yellow eyeshadow look for you guys. I'm also trying some other new products. As you guys know, Sephora had their VIB sale here recently, so I picked up some new products there. I'm also trying those products out on this video, but I'll be coming back as usual and doing a review on them at some point in the near future. But if you're interested in seeing how I obtained or how I got this beautiful spring summer eyeshadow look using the Sephora Pro Warm Palette, then keep watching. So as usual, my eyebrows have been done, my eyelids are set and ready for eyeshadow. My face has been moisturized as well, but I'm going to go right in with this Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. This was one of the buys that I found during the Sephora VIB sale. So I was really curious to try this out. So they say to start with the center of the face and work this product in an upward motion. So that's what I'm doing here, just getting it onto my face. And now I'm using my Extra Dimension Skin Finish by MAC. This is in the color Beaming, and I'm going to be placing that on my brow bone. And now I'm using this color Adobe out of my Sephora Pro Warm Palette as my transition color. And now I'm using the color Clay, and I'm going to be putting that tightly into my crease, just blending it out really nicely. And now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand. I'm going to be carving out my lid. I'm going to give myself a nice soft cut crease for this look today. And now for the star of the show, I'm going to be using this matte yellow color out of the Sephora Pro Warm Palette, and this color is called Ochre. So I'm just placing that right on top of the area where I've placed the Tarte Shape Tape to carve out my lid. And now I'm using the color Terracotta, and I'm blending that in with the soft ochre. I'm placing that terracotta more so on the outer V of the eye, just right where those two colors come together, just to give it a nice soft blend. And I'm going in with clay once again just to blend everything together. I want everything to be nice and blended. And now I'm deepening up my outer V, and I'm using burnt umber for this. So I'm just placing it on that outer V and then just softly sweeping it just a little bit across the top or right in the crease area. So I just want to deepen that outer V up just a little bit more. And now I'm taking a small detail blending brush and I'm going into the color Obsidian out of the Sephora Pro Warm Palette, and I'm placing that right on top of where I cut that crease. For my shape eye, this is going to be the color or the way that I'm going to be able to get that definition in the crease area. So just blending it in really well. Going back in with the burnt umber right on top of that black or that obsidian color, just to make sure everything is blended into perfection. I'm also going back in with Adobe. Once again, just making sure everything is blended together really nicely. Don't want any harsh lines. I want everything to be nice and smooth. I'm adding a wing liner for this look. I'm going to be adding some mascara and adding some lashes as well, and also I will be lining my waterline. My color correcting is done, and I'm moving on to foundation, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the color 390. And I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the colors Tan Sand and Deep to conceal and highlight my under eye area, the bridge of the nose, forehead, and the Cupid's bow. And now it's on to cream contour. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Clay Foundation Stick. This is in the color Rich Honey. And I'm going to use the color Terracotta to smoke out that waterline, the bottom lash line, just a bit. And I'm using my Extra Dimension Skin Finish once again to highlight the inner eye, or that tear duct. And now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Peaches and Cream to carve out those cheekbones. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow in the color Peach Fizz to highlight my cheekbones and a little bit on the forehead. This is an oldie but goodie product. This has been around for quite some time, and I was very, very pleased with how this looked on my face. I really like the liquid highlighters. It's looking pretty good. And now it's time for lips. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle lipstick in the color Saucy. That's SAW dash the letter C. And I'm going to be lining my lips with the MAC lip liner in the color Chestnut. And now the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to share my channel information with another mature makeup enthusiast. Also, I wanted to mention, you guys, I'm getting really close to having 100 subscribers. I know that that sounds like nothing to most people because a lot of YouTubers have far more than 100 subscribers. But to me, it's the slow and the steady that wins the race. So once I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to do my first giveaway. So I wanted to make you guys aware. I want you to be on the lookout for it. So again, that's another reason why you want to share this channel information, because there's going to be something in it for everyone. So until I see you guys next time, I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.